Welcome to GSL GM City, 1720 Bow Trail, southwest of Calgary, Alberta. Today we're doing a quick walk-on video on the brand new 2021 GMC Acadia Denali. This Denali is powered by a 3.6-liter V6 engine and made it up to a 9-speed automatic transmission. Taking a quick look at the interior of the GMC Acadia Denali: power windows, power folding mirrors, memory seating and power locks, a leather-wrapped heated steering wheel with forward collision warning, cruise control and audio controls. Vehicle currently has 3 kilometers on it, brand new push-button ignition. We have a large 8-inch touchscreen, navigation, Wi-Fi hotspot, as well as Apple CarPlay and Android Auto are both piloted through there. We have a dual-zone climate control setup. We have heated and ventilated seating, parking or lane keep assist, and 4x4 dials with your different options there. Automatic stop-start, traction control, and parking sensors there with your wireless charging pad. We have the all-black interior here, Bose audio and wood trim finish with the Denali name, and then our black leather heated and ventilated Denali seats up front. Taking a quick look at the exterior of the Acadia Denali, we do have the 20-inch wheel and tire package, beautiful alloy wheels there with Michelin all-season tires, color-matched door handles with keyless entry, as well as the chrome accents. Blind spot detection and remote start are both equipped on the Denali Acadia. Coming to the front, we have the newly redesigned front end, massive GMC grille, fog lamps, parking sensors, as well as LED daytime running lamps, those beautiful LED headlamps. Making our way to the rear again, rear tinted privacy window and chrome accents with your Denali. LED tail lamps, dual chrome exhaust tips, parking sensors, power tailgate, and your backup camera wrapping up the rear of the vehicle. Jumping into the interior of the Acadia Denali, we do have the captain's chairs, both leather heated and car seat ready. We have the 3-stage heated seat controls, rear climate control, as well as HD USB ports and an outlet there. Chairs do fold down, giving us access to our third row. Another 50-50 split. There's 6-passenger SUV back here. Overtop dual sunroofs with LED lighting as well. Thank you for taking the time to watch this brief walk-on video on the brand new 2021 GMC Acadia Denali. If this is your next 6-passenger all-wheel drive SUV, come and see us here at GSL GM City or shop online at gslgmcity.com.